Hi guys, decided to have another go at printing Greg Gzumwalt's air engine car. Last one it worked, but I couldn't get it to work with the balloon. I had to blow in it to get it to run. So this time I'm going to try and take more care. I took care last time, but I'm going to take extra care to get it done. I have had some problems with my filament since I've been printing this. It had been excellent. It's cheap stuff and it had been doing some really nice prints, but as soon as I started doing Greg's print, it failed. First thing it failed with was the thickness of the filament. It obviously hasn't been quality controlled very well, and there was actually a thick bit got stuck in the feed pipe and jammed everything up. That confused me because I thought it was the nozzle was blocked. Changed the nozzle and then realised the nozzle was empty. So anyway, long story, it means it's taking me a long time to print this because I'm printing it as virtually individual pieces instead of the way I normally do it, which is print most of it in one go. So yeah, right, anyway, I'm taking extra care to get everything nice and loose. Just to demonstrate, these are in here so they fall out, so they're that loose, and that goes in there. That'll fall out as well, at least it should. I've just pushed it in too far. Let's try it the other way. Yeah, that drops out. So yeah, I'm taking extra care to get it all really smooth. That's the piston, believe it or not, which goes on there, and then that goes in there. So you see it's all nice and smooth running and loose. So when we get it all together, I can do it without breaking this. Yes, when we get it all together, hopefully it should run a bit smoother than the last time I tried. I won't bore you by trying to assemble it in front of you. In fact, there's still one piece being printed. No, two pieces to be printed. That's got to go on there. That's got to go right the way through so it comes out the bottom. That's got to be a specific distance up there. Got to measure it carefully. Got to get that the right way up. I can't remember which is the right way up at the moment, but we'll just slide that in there for now. So yeah, we'll sort that out and see if we can get it to work this time. I've also sat here with my needle files and tidied up all the bits, so hopefully they'll go together reasonably easily. There's a lot of little bits that all need carefully cleaning. To minimise friction. Well, time is going on. It's getting dark now, so we've got the lights on. Piston's nice and loose. The valve is not perfectly loose. I'm going to have to work on that just a little bit more. So, I have to put the rest of it together now. Right, all assembled. You'll probably see from the different coloured filaments I've had to reprint several parts because I managed to break them, and it's really not going any better than the first version that I did. I am actually able to get it to do a couple of puffs, a little bit of movement, but it's certainly not running all the way along through the kitchen floor or anything. And the only way I can get it to do anything is to make the balloon stronger. Now, I studied Greg's videos and I'm pretty sure he's using a double layer balloon. I suspect his balloons are stronger than mine anyway, but on one of them I'm pretty sure I could see there was two ends of balloons on display. You can probably see I've got a green one there and an orange one. So that gives the walls of the balloon more strength, so it carries higher pressure. Now, I'm currently running this with 4 balloons inside each other. So it's 4 walls of rubber. And the problem with that is it makes it top heavy and it falls over. I'll blow it up and run it in front of the camera for the couple of little puffs that it does do. But we're still not there. We're still not running smoothly. This is lovely and smooth and easy, but it's not easy enough for it to run, or I need stronger balloons. I'll blow these up. As I say, it makes it top heavy now, so it tips over. I could cheat and hold the balloon in place, and then it goes along. But as soon as I let go of the balloon, it falls over. So I'm probably helping it a bit by holding it up. So I think that'll do for now. Just a short video. Well, it depends how much of the build I put in front of this bit of video, because I spent a lot of time moaning about how much trouble I was having. Nothing to do with the design, it's just because I'm using cheap PLA and I've had a lot of problems with the PLA. Or a lot of problems with the printer, which is the reason why bits break as well. I've spent about 3 days on this one. Yeah. Oh well. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.